Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you in maths after, before and between numbers. I know you know very clearly the after numbers, but I'm revising the after numbers. After number means the next number. Whenever the number you are writing, the next number will be the after number. I tell you already, the next number will be the after number. Suppose I am writing the number 2. After 2, what is the next number? 3. So, after number of 2 will be what? 3. What is the after number of 2? It will be 3. Okay. 2. See, what is the after number? Teach you the after numbers. After number means the next number. Whatever comes the next is called the after numbers. Suppose the number is 1, 4, 14. After 14, what's the number come? The next number of 14 will be, what's the next number? You count 14, then 15. 1, 5, 15. The next will be 1, 5, 15. So, after number of 14 will be 15. What is the after number of 14? It will be 15. Okay. Suppose the number is 20, 36, 42, 5. Okay. Well, once I am showing, I will repeat the bigger number and smaller number. Okay. Here it is 2020. 2020. What is the after of 2020? After number of 2020 will be 2121. Why 2121? Because 21 is the next number of 20. That's why 2121 is the after number of 20. See, 2, 1, 21. Here it is 3, 6, 36. Here it is 36. What's come after 36? 37. How? Because 37 is the next number of 36. Because 37 is the next number of 36. Then number is 42. What is the next number after 42? What is the number? 43. Again, why it is 43? Because 43 comes just next to 42. That's why, as I am telling, that after number will be the next number. So, 43 will be the next number of 42. Here it is 5 and the after number of 5 will be 6. Because 6 comes just next to 5. So, after number of 5 will be 6 because after number means the next numbers. Okay. Then after that, I make you understand again and again. After that day only, I show you the bigger number. Bigger number means the number is big. Whenever the things is big, thing become big. More, whenever the things is more, the number is also big. Whenever the thing is more, the number is also big. And as we go the forward counting, the number become big, and big. 1 is big or 100 is big? 100 is big. 100 is big. 1 is not the bigger number. 1 is the smaller number. Okay. Just opposite, when we come from backward side, backward side, the number becomes small. When we come from the back side, the number becomes small. So, that number is called the smaller number. Okay? Smaller number. Whenever you know the bigger number, today I will show you the smaller number. Smaller number means, suppose I have one toffee, one has one have one toffee, one have 4 toffees, and one have only 2 toffees. Here, see the number wise 1, 4 and 2. Okay, toffees quantity you see, which is small, which has less numbers, so which is the less number? This one, because this one has only 1 toffee, this one has 4 toffees, and this one has 2 toffees. All the toffees has more than 1, so it says bigger than 1. So smaller one is this one, smaller one is this one, smaller one is this one. Okay, smaller one is this one. Again you see, suppose A has 4 balls, this one has 3 balls, and this one has you count the balls. This one is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 3, 1, 2, 3, and this one is 6. So which has more? This is more. And this 2 is not more. It is less. See, quantity wise also, number wise also, it is bigger number. And I will find which is the smaller number. As quantity become less, that is the smaller number. Which quantity is less? 4 or 3? 3 is less. 4 in 4, one more ball is there. And 3, only 3 ball is there. So 3 is less in number. So 3 is the smaller number. 3 is the smaller number. Okay. When we count the number from backward side, the number is bigger to smaller. Always remember, when we counting the numbers from back side, the number is bigger to smaller. And when we are counting the number from forward counting side, in forward counting way, the number is smaller to bigger. Okay. When the number come in the direction of backward counting, the number becomes small. And when we go forward counting, the number become big. When we are coming from the back side, backward counting, the number become small. When we are goes from this side, the number become big. This thing you keep in mind. You can easily do the smaller number and the bigger number. Okay. One more you see. It is 2, it is 5, it is 1. See the quantity, here it is only 1, here it is 2 and it is 5. So as you're looking, the quantity wise, it is the bigger number because 5, it has many apples, 5 apples, so it is the bigger number. But when we compare the 3, which is the smaller one, this one, because it is the only 1. Only 1 is there, so this is the smaller number. Okay. Always keep in your mind, when we go forward counting, it is the number become big. And when we come from the backward side, the number becomes small. Because 100 is bigger number. But 99 is smaller. 99 is smaller than 100. So automatically, when we come from backward side, the number becomes small. When we go forward, the number become big. Okay. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.